What is up, guys? Patty Rich's Kicks here, back at it for another Supreme video. And today we got something in the mail today. UPS just dropped this bad boy off. We got the TNF North Face collab, Supreme TNF collab. Jesus, just dropped on Thursday, and I did make a video for it, and I didn't upload it because I was lazy and completely forgot to do it. But so we do got the tee. Open this bad boy up. Oh, we got some stickers here. Okay, we got okay, everything is kind of loose. So we got two box logo stickers, and we have two little Save the Planet stickers. Take this out. Anything else in the bag? No, it does not look like it. So right here we have the TNF North Face Supreme tee. Pretty cool bag, honestly. So Supreme this was for everybody. I was watching Boone's video of his live cop, and he had the same problem I did, where he got it, but it didn't show up with the order confirmation screen till later. But the notification still said from my debit card company, you spent $70 at Supreme New York. So I was like, okay, did I get it? Did I not get it? I tried on my app. I tried on the website. It said, sorry, you've already purchased one of these styles. So it's an email Supreme saying it went through. They sent me that I did get it, so I was very happy. But we got it right here, Supreme North Face tee. Let's open this bad boy up. I know, right? Actually opening it. I'm not keeping it. I'm gonna keep it dead stock for a little bit, but so at the front, this tag is honestly really cool. So we got the little Supreme, the North Face little tag right there. It's really cool. And right there, it says, if I move that out of the way, Supreme, the North Face, Supreme TNF Statue Tee Medium. So I went with the white instead of the black, mainly because for the actual Statue of Liberty on the back, wow. Whoa, that is fucking nice. Okay. So I did not see this in the pictures, and I haven't watched anybody's review on it. On the back of the statue, you could actually, I don't know if you guys can actually really see this. You could kind of see it says the North Face. But I like the white because the picture on the back looked a lot better than on the black. The colors with the red, white, and blue were better than like that blue and yellowish. I didn't really like that, so I like the white, kind of give it more of that USA vibe. Really good quality, honestly. Better quality than I expected. Yeah, so nothing huge on this tee. It is really nice. You know, I feel like a long sleeve would have been a bit better, but it's whatever. Really cool, Expedition Proven with the Lady Liberty on the back right there. Not bad, Supreme. You honestly killed it with this collab. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. Really quick, really short. Wait, there is something that I did pick up recently that I did not show. It's on the other side of my room. I have not shown this. This is the only thing I got from the week previous drop. I got the Hamburger Eyes Supreme San Francisco Zine. This book, $20, you know, you can get it pretty cheap. It's really cool. If you have, you know, now I have to go back to get this for, like, reference, I guess. You got it's like the Blessed book, how it's like basically a picture book of art or whatever. Same thing with this. It's all black and white. It's a lot of skating things, a lot of, interesting pictures. Let's see if I could find my absolute. Here's a good one. That's a good one right there. Absolute beauty. Masterpiece. Where's that one? I think I'm a little past it. Yeah. This one right there with a little bit of nudity. So I'm not gonna bring the book that close, but honestly, pretty cool book for 20 bucks. I wanted something because why not? But yeah, so not bad. So I want to thank you all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, favorite, all that good stuff, and I'm out.